To install the inner tent, start by loosening all the ground tensioners. Open the door of the inner tent and locate the top opening. Place the inner tent inside the Nordic tipi. Raise the central pole slightly and then place it inside the top opening. Make sure that you use the regulating tube holder to fasten the regulating tube to the central pole. Locate the toggle above and to the right of the door opening in the inner tent. Lift up the inner tent to the top of the Nordic tipi. If you can't reach the top, you can fold away one part of the central pole. Place it on a pole plate or something similar to avoid dirt getting into the pole. Attach the toggle to the fastening points located above and to the right of the door of the Nordic tipi. Attach by putting the toggle through the ring. Do this all the way round. Attach the inner tent to the wall, first in the middle and then at the bottom. Stretch the Nordic tipi again by tightening the ground tensioners. To make the floor of the inner tent as smooth as possible, stretch the floor tensioners. On inner tent models Pro and Comfort, the floor can be opened in a few different ways using the zips in the floor.